Hey y'all, what's going on? Happy Tuesday. Happy final assignment. Happy you made it through this crazy quarantine distance online experience. I'm so proud of you. With that being said, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet because I know we are getting to the end of this thing. But I want to first let y'all know that it's been absolutely a pleasure having y'all in my class, teaching y'all in person and in distance as well. So sorry that we couldn't end on a in-person note and all those wonderful things. However, I want you to know that I appreciate every single one of y'all's hard work and everything you've done this year. So with that being said, this is your final assignment. All right, so I already have it on the screen because it's pretty simple. We didn't get a chance to finish Antigone. I thought it was an excellent play, and some of you all got to get into it. However, our final assignment is going to be about Othello. It's also a play, but it's a Shakespearean play. It's not a Greek play. And basically, you're going to read an excerpt from Othello. You'll find it here, and it's a PDF file. You should be able to view it. And then also, your formative final exam will be this, and you'll open it up just like that. And all your questions are here. And they all go with one another. I'm seeing this. I'm gonna clean that up later. I'll make sure you don't see that option one thing. I don't know where that came from, but all these are your questions. Make sure you go through them, answer them to the best of your ability. And with that being said, this is due to me today. It's Tuesday. It'll be due back to me on Wednesday. Have a great day, y'all. I'll be available for office hours today. So if you need any help, please feel free to hit me up. Talk to y'all later. See you. Bye.